Hi there, welcome along to another edition of the Gaga CFM Sports Unlocked. Ikamalamo Ayanda Waganyuswa, and I'm going to be your host for this week's edition of a show. It is officially match day for Ibafana Bafana. It is do or die. As far as this match is concerned, it's our final Group A match with FIFA World Cup against the Korea Republic. Kickoff is in Tata at 3 a.m. Kusho ukuthi semlindelweni-ke namhlanje. It's either awulali noma uzolala uvuke and watch the game. Kickoff is at 3 a.m. Joe Shilo. So joining me right now to unpack everything that we need to unpack ahead of our final Group Game World Cup is none other than Ayanda Xaba, former Orlando Pirates and also a contributor nje Guguma platforms zethu ezemidlalo on Gaga CFM. Vuka Xaba, thank you so much for your time and for joining us ahead of this crucial encounter.
Thank you once again for having me studio. Yeah, it's a tough one. Final game, we group stages, and we are hoping for the best, for a national team.
Firstly, how are you feeling about where Itimi is at the moment? Obviously, a lot of disappointment after it came here to Mexico, losing by 2-0 in the World Cup opener, but we saw an improved performance from Ibafana Bafana in our second game against Czechia, Lepelengo 1-1. So where are you? So abantu abaningi are in different places. Obviously, we did see the good response from the team with the coach Hugo Bruce as well, with the ama changes awenzile. But where are you in terms of how we've played and our chances kule game yesithathu?
Mixed emotions.
Sure.
I don't know where to place myself or my feelings.
Yeah.
Because of we are in a tight spot. Because
Must-win game.
It's a must-win game, because if we draw, we go home. We lose, we go home. It's a do or die, so nje ukuthi nje abafowethu abaphume babe focused, babe disciplined, and surely ba motivated, even though siyazi ukuthi last game ithi ekuma group stages angwine, try to get through to the next round, last 32. Yazini
hayi
kunzima.
Kushubile mfowethu, ngiyazi ukuthi it's always important ukuthi sithathe ama positives, and I think it's very hard for us ukuthi sibuke kule game Mexico. So let's look at the Czechia game in terms of what went right for Ibafana Bafana. Starting with the coach Hugo Bruce, with the changes that you saw, what do you feel he did right in the game that we can implement once again with game namhlanje?
Ama changes awenza second half I took booster amajita because of first half besizama but singakwazi ukuthi singene kahle kwi final 30 yabo, but come second half I think around boma 60 something to 70 wenza ama changes are right, wafaka bosibelebele, wafaka borele, wafaka bomahopa abangenile. Kwaba khona that change kancane, fluidity, ama passes ethu athukushesha, sakwazi ukungena several times eboxini, whereby in the first half besingakwazi ukuthi sikwenze ngendlela right, but come second half lawo ama changes lawo iwona abe ne impact right, saba positive because sikwazile ukuthi siscore, sithole goal, sibe right. But other than that, same lineup. Second half would be good for Mina. I think even Umzansi now would say yes, because of laba bangenile benze le impact right.
So it's imesiqede ngayo igame yeCzechia iyona ithime kumele iqale in your opinion?
In my opinion.
So don't you feel then ukuthi they made the impact obviously off the bench, so would it be a bad thing ukuthi kube into efanayo futhi nakule game le ukuthi yes siqale ngabo Renas, siqale ngabo Maseko as we did Apollos also starting, and then obviously have these guys off the bench, or would you rather have an Apollos come off the bench and impact the game in the second half?
Tough one. But Apollos for me since iqalile I World Cup for me, that guy, I always say he stands out because he's always trying his utmost best ukuthi shine and make the team to shine again. Nalaba adlala nabo eduzane. So that's what I'm saying ukuthi aborele bangenile because of baya understandana laba bantu laba badlala a team in A1. So that's what I'm saying ukuthi kube better because sibe fluid, saba right, sakwazi ukuthi hlanganisa ama passes kusheshe. uMaseko is a good player, I don't want to lie.
Yeah.
Naye ungenile wasigaya something.
And he had a good game.
He had a good game. That's what I'm
against
saying
Czechia.
ukuthi ku coach in his mind umbekile ukuthi yeah, because of he played well.
Yeah.
You know, so manje ngaba nzima ukuthi he played well and then uyambeka futhi and then put someone else and then uthi, you know, so engqondweni yakhe naye obviously manje uyazi ukuthi or he's thinking ukuthi I might start a game again.
Yeah.
Let me give what I gave or do better. You know, so I'm saying ukuthi hey sonke yazini ku 50-50.
Sure.
Yeah.
No, ngiyakuzwa. So we haven't had any question marks around it defense yet. Well, from what I've heard, kubantu abaningi, yes, we've been conceding Lauma goal very early, but in terms of the playing personnel with defense, are you fine with our back four with obviously UTLB partnering no Ime Okon, also having Ukuliso and Aubrey at left back? Are you fine with that, or ukhona mhlawumbe omunye olunyushintsho ngalenza in our defense?
I wouldn't make any changes like
Yeah.
I said before. Back four yethu right. It's just nje the matter of ukuthi aba communicate
And
that's
concentrate.
the most important thing. Yes, communication, concentration, and then discipline.
Is that the reason why we're conceding so early in the tournament? I mean, first 10 minutes of the game in both games against Mexico and Czechia, singenelwa igol. Is it a matter of a concentration, lendo show your concentration and commitment?
Obviously, bayazi, the first 10-15 minutes of a game, any coach would tell you ukuthi yila khona you have to be very 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 focused lapha because of usukusalele umzimba usungakobi that activated because of warm up you come back and you play.
Yeah.
So you yazi ukuthi you activate your body to get ready ukuthi udlale. So manje ingqondo yakho nayo kanjalo. So yena as long as igame iqala I'm getting into a game. Ihambe sengiyafudumala and then go with the game. So this I'm saying ukuthi it's very important ukuthi uma isaqala asibe more focused singenzi any mistakes adlale far from ipali lethu.
Yeah.
At least in the third it's okay. But ngakuthina no we can't.
Big talking points in the middle of the park. Obviously, Siyagle game without Tebogo Mokoena Umrembula, which is a big blow, if I can say so myself, for Bafana Bafana. It's almost difficult to imagine team without Utebza in the heart of that midfield. So how big of a blow is not having him in the game, and how do you think Bruce is going to mitigate the absence yake? Remember, we have 4 central midfielders. Gule squad nje completely,
yes.
And obviously Utebs are out, leaves us with 3. So does Bruce play those 3, or does he play 2 and have Erele as a number 10, for example?
Let's play 2. Have your Rele playing there. We can have someone else who can play there. So I'm saying, but it's very important to have the 2. For me, obviously, Nzoti Adams, Ngiti Umbata.
Yeah.
And then put Rele in front. It can be your Apollos, it can be your Masego, Reyners, Mahopa. It's okay because of up front. I'm not worried that much.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just the middle. You could be stable.
Sure.
And then solidify at the back.
So Tembazwane is still out, obviously red card yake, 3-match suspension, but Ujobe is back. Pepelo Stoll is back.
Stoll,
yes, obviously Lea mistake in the first game and also getting red card in game yoqala, but you wouldn't play him kule game le.
Ama Koreans ayashesha gents, ayashesha, I don't want to lie, ayashesha.
Yeah.
For umuntu njengayo structure sakhe tall, a bit slow, good on the ball. But I would put my head on the block nje and say Adams, Mbata, Rele, those 3 for me would be a good start.
So then, with the absence ga Tebza, how different is our midfield going to look? Because I don't think we've played with Adams no Mbata too much in our national team. So it dynamic yabo asiyaz gahle. There's always Utebza and someone else.
Yes.
So what do you feel is going to be either missing, or how different is our midfield going to play? Just what are you foreseeing happening kule game? Because I'm trying to imagine indlela esizodlala ngayo without Utebza, and I'm struggling to formulate it in my head. When uyibona kanjani?
Nami nje ngilebele nje I'm just thinking ukuthi I midfield too too, are they going to be able to complement each other or not? It's so silinde sisibone ukuthi how does it go on the day, but it's a tough one because of Adams sejwayele ukuthi athi Mkwena most of the time. So Mbatha umekhona, it's either he plays with Mkwena or he plays a bit up front because of siyakwazi ukuthi siyithwike in midfield yethu. You know, because we know ukuthi naye is also got ama shots, so he can come a bit closer to Epalini. Like abokekana.
Yes.
You know, so that's why ingqondo yami nakhona futhi it's still there ukuthi we can say 1-2 but it's going to be difficult because of uRele is quicker that boy, even thinking yakhe for me manje isikle level le yalaba abase Europe in thinking capacity yakhe manje akasegijim but manje he deals more with ama passes, killer pass, complement, assist. Yes, yena ngafika azokora ngaleso sikhathi. So that's what I'm saying ukuthi ingqondo yami at the moment, but it says these two can be able to complement each other.
So do these two sit?
Let them sit.
So akekho ya obviously uma khona uRele there's no need ukuthi baye phambili because siyazi ukuthi uTebza is more of an 8, uyathanda ukuthi ahlale and then aye phambili take those shots. Mbatha as well is able to do that. So Adams is able to be box to box.
Yes.
But when ufuna bahlale bobabili kanje.
Yeah.
And protect the defense.
Ba protect defense yethu.
Yeah.
And then ke sihambe with a game with a defense with ama defense block yethu. Sazi ukuthi defense, midfield, strikers sambe ndawonye singavuli too much rooms. Because of if we open too much rooms it means we are inviting them to come. Sithi wozani madoda ningene thina nkora.
Is that where you feel where the game is going to be won and lost for us?
Yes,
like Eswin.
Eswin.
Yeah.
I don't want to lie, Eswin because of bathanda ukudlala kuma half spaces. It's rare for them ukuthi baye wide but one-on-one cross. So they love going through la center. So that's what I'm saying it's vital and it's very important ukuthi as long as la Eswini si compact and si communicator in the right way, we have a chance.
Yeah.
Let's
talk about the Koreans now. I mean, because abantu bahlezi bekhuluma ukuthi hey, these guys are quick. Kade sibuka ama video abe bejima on social media. But what have you seen from them that has impressed you? Kulama game about 2. Obviously they lost against Ilokuzane Mexico and then Bashai Czechia in their first game. Yini nje vethu abazoyiletha that is dangerous for us ukuthi sesingaba nje nama sleepless nights kule game lethu yesithathu.
Not really sleepless nights, but I would say ukushesha kwabo nanokuthi we have to read a game very fast.
Yeah.
Because of that's what I'm saying ukuthi bathanda ukudlala kuma half spaces. Half spaces over, behind, and then they score. So it's rare for bona bathi one-on-one on the side, take a person on. No, just nje la kuma half spaces. I would pray and ask Amachita nje ukuthi please gents, like Sweeney, hey, let's go for a man to man because of if we sort of small space is soba nenkinga. Yeah.
So concentration nje umudlala nabantu abasheshayo obviously.
Yes.
That would be the key thing.
The key thing for you ukuthi nje be more focused and off the ball runs. Let's not sleep at the back because of if we sleep at the back, I'm telling you they will punish us very fast because of sengibonile ukuthi most of our games they score early like World Cup. I think almost throughout lama group stages all the games I've watched bakora early 9 minutes, 8 minutes, 5, 10, you know. So that's what I'm saying ukuthi abantu abaningi basuke besalele and then you score early and then you settle down, you play and then you say come to me, I will come to you. If ngibona ukuthi uyangivulela, you give me an opportunity to come to you.
Sure. Mfethu awunginike ithemba mfethu. Awunginike ithemba. Ngimincile mfethu. Score prediction. Awunginike ithemba mfethu. Give me something. Because I've really angifuna unqaba manga ngiyasaba kule game. So angizwe wena ukuthi uthini.
Hey, for me I'll go for 2-1.
In favor of
Bafana, yes. Yeah, but this is our country. This is my country.
Do we have to score first in order for that to happen? Because remember,
to concede.
Yeah, because it's considered qala against Czechia.
Yes, and
we took over an hour to equalize.
Yes.
So recovery rate is not great.
It's not great. Yeah.
So 2-1 only happens when score
qala. Yes.
Do we have to score early?
We have to score first.
Do we have to score early?
Early foot. Not even first early konke. Yabona the way inhliziyo eshaya ngakhona manje. That's something your cross night.
Hey,
Yeah, ngizozama ukuthi
angibonzi ukuzolalela.
ngizozama ukulala early ngithi ngilele ngibe ngicabanga ngithi
Yeah.
awunkosi. Yeah, abafuthu abenza into right basijabulise as a country.
So a clean sheet awuyiboni clean
I don't
sheets
see
for
a
us.
clean sheet, gents.
Yeah.
It's not going to be easy. If it's a clean sheet, we say thank God.
Hayi mfoka Gcaba usekhulumile. All we need is a victory. Obviously mase siwinile game, then would go into 4 points and then sesiba kuleya picture ke ukuthi either su number 2 or number 3. If su number 3 sikuphi kulela tafula lama best placed teams,
yeah.
and then we'll take it from there. But the important thing is for the boys ukuthi bawine namhlanje. Quickly before I let you go, just on ama team ase Africa, obviously Africa 10 teams at the World Cup playing. Tunisia is already out.
Yes.
Shayiwe kabuhlungu
Yeah,
and both
Egypt
their
are still
games.
in.
Egypt is still in. Obviously, we need. I think it's one of 5 teams
Yes.
that have won. We saw Cote d'Ivoire win their first game, Ghana winning their first game, Morocco yadlala draw yabuya futhi yawina igame yayo yesibili. Ubaye ngemshiya ngaphandle. Algeria also got a 2-1 win over Jordan. I mean, it's been pretty decent for ama team ase Africa. How do you feel ukuthi they've fared so far kule World Cup?
They've played well. Nanokuthi obviously we know ukuthi aba Morocco they will do well very because of banasi squad depth. Abo Ghana, abo Tunisia, yes, a bit, even though they're out. Now I had hope, you know. Kwakuthi ke obviously it's World Cup, it's football, you know. So if good meluphume early, but the ones abasele, I think about 5 or 6 will go through. As I had predicted. Ngaphambilini.
So ubona 5 or 6.
5 or 6.
So this includes Aswabale.
Morocco is there.
Ghana. I mean Ghana ibambe England.
Ghana ibambe England, hey?
Yeah.
I would count them in.
Egypt.
Ivorians. Let me count them in because now they've got
Abadlalanga kahle
abadlalanga kahle
kwegame
game
yesibili,
yesibili, yes,
but they won their first game.
Yes, so now they are still in with the chance. Bafethu ngeke umzansi ngiyawufaka
Siyayifaka
ngiyawufaka bafethu ngufaka umzansi ngeke. The 6th one sobona if kuyenzeka, if the 6th
because
one
in the Senegal is out now.
Senegal is out.
Sishawe kabili.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So agents
Cabo Verde.
Ooh,
2 points.
2 points.
2 points. Babe wina le game yabesithathu. They can go 5 points.
They can go 5 points.
So what do you feel, and how do you feel about them? Obviously, I would say they are probably the biggest surprise at the World Cup, given the size of Izwe labo, the inexperience of abadlali babo, the unknown facts and abafike nayo kule World Cup. They've been the most surprising team. How do you feel about Injil and abadlale ngayo in both games, drawing the Spain and Uruguay?
Very impressed to draw with one of the top countries, you know. So Cape Verde has been a surprise package. As I said before, Uguti, small nation, big hearts.
Yeah.
And nanokuthi they surprise abantu abaningi ukuthi bakwazi ukubamba abo Spain, you know, whereby they thought ukuthi nje bazodlulela that easy, but bayalwa. Bayalwa, I don't want to lie.
Fighting spirit.
Bayalwa, fighting spirit yabo is there, and the way abadlala ngakhona, they can even go through if they're able to win a last game. Yeah.
Hi, Mfoka Gcaba, you've said a mouthful. Sithembe ukuthi kuzohamba njengoba usushilo in terms of our African teams ukuthi sibe na at least 6 teams at the round of 32 World Cup. Remember, it's an expanded World Cup, so a second round is the round of 32, not like previous World Cups where it was a round of 16. Bafo, sibonge kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho. Hopefully the next time mina nawe connector so bese sikhuluma indaba ukuthi who is Bafana facing in the round of 32.
In the round of 32.
Thank you so much for your time. And of course, you can catch Ayanda Gcaba njengama platforms zethu as well as our 2 shows, Gagasi FM Sports Hour and as well as Gagasi FM Sports Zone on Mondays and Fridays. Also join us futhi nje ukuhamba kwesikhathi as well la Gagasi FM Sports Unlocked. But it is a wrap for this week's edition. We're going to be back again with more next week.